say aha aye Xposed GH I na me limo elikem kwame amega ubetumi afrɛ me efokent me ma wakɔ aba e de ba Xposed GH so it like share na comment never notification bell ne yeden eto ende se me catch us ende die ensema ebe boa ya brabo e na yen yakofa eye de ye de abro enye de bia na be ye obi ho asem enye de bia na be ye obi ho asem a ye besere ana ye be di ho arewa na ye be keka ho negatively. Sometimes we need some positive impact in our life. Ye mami Charlotte Oduro munim se oye counselor our kasa o TV stations arodo a mall in ube hu no Peace FM okay FM oni abeku Santana mo kasa molly about relationship etori bi ko tumi kan sem bi be ma de opo ba enhwe ne to and say kra wo hu ni the issues be na my head training okopo ba enhwe ne to but and then at a conference we're making a very variable important and essential message at the Ghana for a common banning memory now. Or see when you are going to the relationship, know who you are going to date, know who you are going to be with. You understand? Assembly and libre so and assembly point in a mini apresano. Or see know who you are going to date with, know who you are choosing when going to be in a relationship because abrabonimono ubetuma shia obi uyo ba ubetuma shia obi to say Abraham na ubeshia no enu susu aso ye de ewo abrabom so ubetuma shia obi bema bi to say Isaac ena ufase utim say ubeshia bema bi to say David se ne wa woni mu no na wo kasa no kire say ohwe Bible mu ananka Abraham no oye bema ananka ne ho dwo because na it say ne yire no ena na dictate man ana o control otimi kasa otie oba ne kasa otie oba oye sam mema na omu okasa bema ne yeden etie na coming back to it ubehia uyo oba ubehia obi ti say Isaac onu ebia ontumi nkokasa nyeden enchen man ntie because he is a man of himself but sa obema so obe no ti say Isaac no onkan hye de tinum say na bra bon obebo no ebia obehia oba bi to say Naomi and Rebecca. Na san Naomi oba ne de. Naomi no kan say emre eto adin ba obegyawo. Rebecca no onu di obetena but she is a very smart woman. Wo yese woni ni be play smart oba obenu be play smart pepepe. Na oba no so wo akohye obema to say David no fa hye wo trim so say sa oba na wo sa bema na wo hye ebi obepem masem ebia obeye mmemasem obeye mbasem nanso you have to know how to handle him because obeye bia bema nsem bego obeye bema obepanyamsom obeye bema he will be a man of God's heart of the people's heart nso ebia na efie oma woni nji because ebia akopem masem sam same ni na ye mama ye den echiremu na me mpese mese o mre no yenkoni enkohwe video no embra ne ye ba wonim se munua bema metie die na be church nsem e de misum kakra me woden e de account etima enkohwe video ne ye den embra.
So if you're a woman here, you're going to pick men like Abraham. You need to know their weakness and their strength. And if you're a woman, you want to pick men like David, you need to know their strength and their weakness. If you want a man like Isaac, you need to know their strength. The same goes with the women. When you check Abraham, he's a man that always obeys the wife's voice. So there are some men like that. One ne yere enantie mu no de oba ne ka eno di akire na eboa no ebisu ebese no because Abraham was the one that received the prophecy from God. So the prophecy was given to him and not the wife. But then ne yere tu ni fu say ye nyini and therefore let's get me made nano Abraham musa nyame o odi ne yere voice achi and the same empana bano became a trouble to them later. So you may get a man like Abraham, Obu, Otie voice, and friend is because many of the women they get a man that will listen to them, a man that is down to earth, especially women. Let me say this: the moment a man gives himself to a woman, she feels so Oduro do or yeah Jimmy Sebi. But that is not how it is. There are some women that is the way, there are some men that's the way they are. They always want to do things that will please their women because they love them. Even when he thinks it's a mistake, he will still want to please you. Say that they are ubun kofu. So they will be with you. But make sure if you have a man like that, you the woman must be directed by God. So what say ne shebra? What so shebra say? Are we here? But before you make say kochempna pobusa, I want to say, who are you? Are you the Naomi type? Or you are the Rebecca type? Because the Naomi type, I want you to know obeja wako. Yentu na mompa yemfre urade. And the Rebecca type are the ones that are serviceable. And so omu are smart. But when Rebecca realized that nikunu prase or de japadiema penino, she received prophecy. The man didn't receive prophecy. And no sister and son. And no say, Wobra. Naminfa ambua hu namintare ho. Go and take the blessing. She had the prophecy, but the way she did it was wrong.
It won't say with video ne yakoshaba tio. From the first beginning, make a statement say, Obama be to say Abraham, not the hearing and the control. The hearing and control no nyankopo catch say, Obawo baby. I have a friend Isaac. What I say? Now, a man no omunino because Abraham otien yerin tio because Abraham yereno Abraham tien yerin inti show. Won say obani shen say sadia Abraham adena yenyi kopo oba bi ebeka ho it oba na oyebu onyankopon enkom hye na ode hye Abraham no. Abraham tie ni sa because ono ne yere e na sebe or dictate eyeden e ofie ense ne wo hwe ma me message ma emma so mo wo a mo fon hye mutirim se eto de bia wo betuma hia bema bia wo betuma control no eno kire se bema no wo yo jimifo debi bema bi sa no wote odo ba bia oji na kumomu ebre no wase mo oba no e ma oba no feel say oye comfortable in a home in a house when ya bema pa eno je se wokunu wa jimi okohia bema bi no control ne yele a na mfa nko se wo na mi kunu de wa jimi pa na mi control no fie debi jai na so for sure tirim say who control bema no wo fie no make sure say who control no in the direction of God because the bema no so say a wo so oba no o say it will come say all can asem no wo kire say won say Abraham yere Sarah catchen so nko ware e onko ni oba fofo nko wo no sa oba no later obeye against Abraham asefo he came against them into oba no na nke Abraham aseyemu a odini ko ni seyemu no into edu baby e wa abrabomu a obema na wo hye ne se wo kasa wo na abrabomu a eno nche se wo control no wo be use wo selfish interest wo lovely interest wo abrabom na wo di detect wo fie ni a wo pe odabi ya dia bema na aju wo fie ni na no wo be ye be boa mu mienu ni na men take this advantage no enye nyome bi wo fie e bia bema na wo ti no oye mra ha wo be ka chen se e ma ne hwe ni busuafo e na ne nua bi ba ne chen a na wo control no mo na ma no bema ni busuafo ka se ye nua ne de oye dodo e na ye busuafo de ye nua de oye do oba ne control fie dabi. You are using that character or that power now in the wrong direction. You can use it in the right way. If you are born busuafo na ba no me unse na wo dictate so omo baby so mu kunu ade omo nua na ade a utumi ka oh fam omo chemu say yeni say you are being the director for the house and no chese wona ye bema na wo ye den utifie no. These are all the message na ye ma mi Charlotte Oduro person ye den wo kire na se wo ye bema so na wo hia obaby to say Naomi a fashe utirim how to handle your baby wa wo ye bema wo hia abraboma no matter what it is sa oba no sika mre ekwa sika na wo nsem no kwa obegyawo ene yentumi sisa he obaby wo ho a ompa wo kire ontumi ntina wo kire it make sure say only oba we kwatena no make sure say bibia betuma happy it is wo ko show baby Naomi na wo mpa bema hweho bema wo kire ba no kasa oba oka awo kire ba okasa kire o rough ne ni nje ho opeso ne mema foforo di agro no bema etwe ho so ba ne Naomi ontumi a ho kire mre na sanso na bema so wo wa wo betume hie oba bi te say Rebecca a ho kire mre oto na so wo ye very smart ono a onjao na so wo mra wo ni sika na wo ne one wo no na otwa mpoa kire wo pa no ti ubu bema pie kwa abonti kopa eduma ono ni bema bia nkasa ono ni bema bia mbonkomo na obetena wo nche na ware ni wie na wo benya wo na wo nse sa bema no me Isaac no omo obantumi control mo but Rebecca no emna wo benya wo na wo pese wo ye wo adwin bi kire se wo pese wo yes smart no o yes smart dada because kaya emna Isaac di inshira no koma ne ba foforo no there be Rebecca ye wa se there be ye wa ne ko ji inshira so ade no oye what and odi man ba no ko jinsa it is some man o smart o me some man na woni ni wo ho na o pese wo play smart ahwa ade bedu o no me some man na o pese wo jan wan hwe o ma wo kon trada because they are very smart woni ni nante in a good way obema wo si baby pa sanso na woni ni ko in the wrong way oti wa bra bo be bafom because they are very smart. Know who you are going to date. And ambaso amoye smart no se wo ko hia obema bi se Isaac on be control and ma amoye smart bia sometimes they try to control when they meet you in a relationship. Once wako hia Isaac to me control no. Isaac to me decide man no, but eno sa no still humble. For smartness no ekwa kan ni die no ho because they will always want to control the house. It is so your baby now you Rebecca. Know the man you are dating. Onu oma won control no. Onu oma won betetete ofio. But for all smartness can not always be on the guard, no control no. And the marriage or the relationship will go on well. Know who you are going to date. And coming back to it. Obama. Oba okoshia be maybe to say David. Oba maybe no matter what it is. Oba maybe wo ho a hwe oba okoshia be maybe a ono ye ne den opon Kristo free suruba fom obepe ema tutuo obepe. You have to know the man you are dating. So some boy now ni ko date no odo pa o obetuma ye bibia ma o te obetena dan no obehwe to the same pose we chikro won pena bi wo obehwa hwe sam pena na ma na ko siewie a problem be it one ye careful hu ubo se sam be man so sabe o twempena wani ngio isunkofo wo area community penasem hype no example ye betuma hu say ye papa Kennedy Japan people are hyping him so mad that be hu say Kennedy ma yere bi mu about align complain that he has it and he's giving it. David wonipa na ote no ho, he was giving, he was providing. Don't man no nya need to deal it him it wo ba no una wo say wonya time na wo back down now said this is what this person is now did not compare because David upon say oh yes and na edru brebi a otwe san because won say wa fun nyame. You understand? Know the kind of man you are going to date as a woman. Na fashe utirim say bema so a oba bema so wo kwa ko hia oba ebia mfa ne say David ware mba bi basi utirim say eya den ya bema na open ma bebre etu bebi ubetuma wo dudu hwe oba Solomon sebe oba okwo Solomon hwe kwa e fa so ebo Solomon but Solomon was the promised one sebe ye president on dotiso enye ne maame ne papa owo no ono ne maame fa ne maame yechi no ko ye president dotiso so when they ye president if you are a man it might go in the same way for you. It abrabo ye mami shalo to do your person change say know the kind of woman you are going to date. Emma uri mfi say be me ya no Bible mu ana Yakopon che say onko for ba tutu ni no ye wo baby so wo be hia na at the first time character obekita ontumi contain that nso be go into real details or your bar was on anything. O baby wo be hia no na ni kara ni wo hia because Onyankopon hye nyame ni person still la sana confess oba ibra ono na ma hye se one ne betena. At the end of the day she changed. They told her be a patient. Know what you are going for. Oye nipa wo kwa sorry po a talk to God to let you know the relationship you are going for. But now say, I above from sema back in the modern world life I living. We don't even you won't say relationship. I am not idea therapy. No, relationship leads to marriage. It will know whatever you are doing. So all person will waste your time in life. Now we are confirmed that is what will happen to you. You will give birth, you will do mistakes. Mistakes they will make you be brave. So after for the mesume to me de maka akwa edia toa the mama Charlotte Oduro de aka kire no na me ka cho say edwumaku na so ya say what I say so ya say ni truthing say emfro bia ma ne mbo chen so ye de ma from nenu omudi kaso bom aha Xposed GH say opese oye advert opese oni ye bedi kaso bom ye advertise o product ma edwuma be na wo shop wo den wo ye mason wo ye carpenter person ko for no we tailor opamade e de be na we any business that you are doing you are selling na what program na person we any advertising you be yama ha Xposed GH on Xposed trend we say we will bring you the best and nothing the best what I say I Xposed GH no Ghana and beyond me am did jumedi every message studio me dey limo Elikim Kwame Amega on all social media platforms obetuma hwe me media ni Efo Kent I me cameraman ba kope nana ye boa asante ono ane me director ene de me cameraman wa ma nti ye be fa ne saa da sende ahwefo de bia me ka chiro ye be se hia nsem de esikura asole anwomache abeka bia de e de ama baba
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda